Hey guys, it's Jessa. So excited to be back. I've got another Etsy video for you today, so happy Wednesday. It's a bit of a special one because I am celebrating 48,000 sales in my biggest store, Hey Lovely Co. So that is a wedding, well, not just wedding stationery, it's really all stationery. And yeah, it's our biggest store on the platform. We've never made that many sales in a single store before. So I was really keen to jump in and make a video on sort of the whole journey and the process and everything that it sort of took to get to this point. I wanted to show you a lot of the things that I would do differently if I was starting the store today, because there's a lot that's sort of changed in the 3.5 years since I started the store. I want to show you some things that I did right and I'm really proud of, and I also wanted to show you 3 of my best selling products over those 3.5 years, so you can have a bit of a sneaky peek at those. I'm going to show you those at the very end of the video, so if you want to see them, stick around and take a peek. Now I really want to encourage you guys, because I know there's a lot of Etsy stores who watch this channel and you might be new, or you might be sort of just starting out, or you might have new sales and you're just sort of in that period of time where you're pushing through and gaining traction. So Etsy is an amazing platform. Yeah, I have been on Etsy for 7 years and I started Hey Lovely 3.5 years ago. So it's a long time to sort of get to that number of sales, and it definitely does take time to build up that passive income. So it's not something that happens overnight, and I just want to encourage you, definitely keep going, because you can do it, you definitely can. It's literally just consistency. That is all it takes to have a successful Etsy store, because if you're consistent, you're learning as you go, you're researching, you're finding new products, and you're just trying and trying and trying again until something works. So definitely encourage you to keep going. Now I'm going to jump in and tell you the story of how I got started. So Remy he was like a 2-month-old baby. He was a tiny baby, and he's almost 4 now. He's 4 in January. So yeah, he was very, very small. And I turned around to Glenn and I'm like, look, our Etsy stores, they're bringing in quite a lot of income. I really want to create a store which is huge. I wanted to make a store which had like heaps and heaps of products, and really was our best foot forward. It was going to be, the plan was it was just going to be our biggest Etsy store of all time. At that point in time, my biggest store was 3,000 products. That was Fabled Weddings back in the day. And yeah, it was going really well, but I really wanted to push it forward, make a lot more products than that. So Glenn and I jumped in and we made products for a good 4 to 6 months. I think we were sort of making products. We're sitting there making a lot of products, and we made 11,000 products. So that is how big the store is. It is massive, absolutely massive. And a lot of people ask me, like, did you hire someone to make all these products? The answer is no. We just sat there and made them. We were consistent day in, day out, just chipping away and making lots of products. Now, things that I did right, and I wanted to flag as things that I did right that I'm proud of. I love the name. That's one thing I was really proud of. I love the name, and I actually use that Hey Lovely in every single message I write to my clients. So that is part of my brand. So I think that one's a good one as well. It's a really great name. Something else I was really proud of is, obviously, I picked a lot of sort of varying products. So the products I was using in the store, and what allowed us to gain traction so quickly in that store, was all the different tags that we use. So obviously it wasn't just sort of wedding stationery, it was wedding stationery, baby showers, bridal showers, birthday invitations, milestone boards, everything and anything that we could think of, we made products for and put it in the store, and we made multiple versions of those products as well, so we were able to fill it up quite quickly. Now, something else that I like about it, I like the sale that we ran. So we still have that sale running today, but it's where you buy you buy 3 products and you get 50% off if you buy 4 products. No, I'll have to double check that one. I will double check what that sale is, but yeah, you buy a number of products and you get a percentage off your order. And that really encouraged a lot of buyers to sort of add that extra product, or buy a couple of products together to make that extra saving and get that extra value. So that was another really cool thing that we had in that store that I think made it successful. Now, things that I would do differently. Now, Etsy's changed a lot in the 3.5 years since the store has been running. So it wasn't sort of the same as what it is now. Things were different. Ads were very different when I started Hey Lovely Co. They're so different now. There was a massive change with Etsy ads during the life of this store. So one thing that I would change, which is a huge thing, and it's still probably affects the store every single day. I get requests for products and I can't find the matching products, and this is something I fixed in later stores. What I did is created a collection code which I put in the title, and then you can search that code in the store and all the matching products, they all come up. I didn't do that in Hey Lovely Co, so obviously looking through 11,000 products to find the matching items is pretty impossible. I've spent a lot of time sort of looking through those products, and that is something that I had wished I had done from the get-go, be more organized and add that collection code to every single listing. Another thing that I would do differently is I would definitely approach trends differently. So I didn't really do a lot of researching. Like, I would sort of go into the search and get a basic idea of what was trending, and I sort of had basically started using Keyword Dominator to sort of track trends, find trends and see what was working, but I didn't do a deep dive at all. Not at all. So that is something that I would do differently, because in my latest stores I've had a whole lot less products and they've been a whole lot more successful, and that's simply because I've researched what people are actually looking for a lot more and at a deeper level. So researching those trends at a deeper level is something that I would change today. Something else that I would change as well is the product images, because when we were sort of hustling and getting all these products up, all 11,000 of them, I had a whole heap of basic product images, and I only was changing the first one. So the first product image would be customized, and then the rest of them would just be sort of a default mix of images, which was still relevant. Like, they were relevant to the customer, but they weren't really showcasing that product as well as they could be. So definitely drilling down on my product images would be something that I would change. Another thing that I would change as well is obviously Etsy introduced videos to listings, and by the time they introduced them, we already had all our products up. Obviously going through and adding video to that many listings would be a huge task, and we haven't done it. But yeah, that is something that I would do from the get-go, add videos to all my listings, because I think that's a really great way to showcase them. Now I want to jump in and show you some statistics in the store. I'm going to show you how much the store has made overall, and I'm also going to show you some products which, yeah, they're my best-selling products in the store of all time. So I think you're gonna love that. I think you'll find it inspiring, and I think you're not gonna expect what it is. So this is my store, Hey Lovely Co, and as you can see, 48,000 sales sitting right there. Very proud of it. Now I'm jumping into the dashboard. So these are the overall stats for all time. This is my total earnings from this store. So it's in Australian dollars. Just note that it is in Australian dollars, but it's $441,200. So yeah, it's been a substantial portion of our overall revenue, which is amazing. I am going to jump in and I'm going to show you, I've got 5 products I've sort of picked out of the store which have been my top sellers over the years, and I think you're going to love them. I think they're going to inspire you because they're really, really simple. So number one is this really super simple bridal shower invitation. So simple, but it has made over $2,000 in the time it's been listed, which is really cool. It's had 224 orders, so I think that one's a really cool one because that's like, it was so easy to make, very, very simple. As you can see, like, remember how I mentioned earlier in the video though, I really have let myself down with these thumbnails. They're not great. They're all very generic. So that is something that I would do differently, but yeah, there's that one. I also have this bridal shower welcome sign, which is pretty cool. So that one has made over $2,000 as well. I've got this massive wedding bundle set. So that one's done really, really well as well. It's a massive bundle where you get all of the matching sort of items. Ironically, it's the same theme as this one here. So this collection has done really, really well. So overall, that one's made close to $2,000, which is exciting. I've got this super simple over or under bridal shower game, which is like, how simple is that? And it's made that much, which is amazing. So really exciting. And then finally, we've got the fishing invite. So that one there has made, it's a huge seller, this one. This is one trend that I did research. I did notice people were looking for fishing invites, which is really cool. And that one has made close to $3,500 Australian. So it has done very, very well. Oh, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video because yeah, it was a lot of fun to make and sort of look back on how far we've come. It's been a huge process. It's been a lot of work and it's been all worth it. So I'm forever grateful for the platform and I'm excited to see where we sort of end up over the next couple of years. I'm really excited for that. I love digital products. I'm so passionate about them. They've been totally life-changing for us because they really let us take our we came from a service-based business and we changed to digital products, and yeah, it was totally life-changing for us, especially with a young family. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this where I sort of deep dive into some statistics and what I'm earning, I would love to know. Just drop a comment below. If you like what you saw, I would love you to subscribe because yeah, I put out new videos every single week. I'm like, it is a real passion of mine to teach people all about me. It's a huge passion of mine to teach people how to make digital products and set up Etsy stores and all the good things like that. So definitely subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your time, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you. Yeah, well, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. This is me trying to record a video. You say hello.